like with full heart to invite you in the name of Allah. I've heard that in Malta you say to God, Allah as the Muslims say, so I enjoy it always, and I give this as an explanation in Germany always, that people should not be afraid of the name Allah. It joins us in a way. So in the name of Allah, and especially in the name of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat in Malta, I would like to invite you to this symposium today, to this peace symposium, which is not the first of its time, of its art. It is the fourth time that it is held in Malta. We from the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat organizing it, and all other Muslims do the same. Whenever they start something, they start in the name of Allah. As well today, we will start with a recitation from the Holy Quran and its translation later on. For this, I request Mr. Lake Atif. He is our president of the Malta Jamaat. I would like to request him to come here to recite the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله يأمركم أن تؤدوا الأمانات إلى أهلها وإذا حكمتم بين الناس أن تحكموا بالعدل إن الله نعم ما يعظكم به إن الله كان سميعا بصيرا. Translation. Verily, Allah commands you to give over the trust to those entitled to them, and that when you judge between people, you judge with justice. And surely, excellent is that with which Allah admonishes you. Allah is all hearing, all seeing.
Jazakumullah. Thank you very much. We have today a very distinguished panel of speakers over here, and I would like Mr. Lakesap, the president of Malta Jamaat, to introduce them so that before every speaker you will come to know about the person who is speaking. Lakesap, I would like to invite you to introduce the speaker one by one.
In the name of Allah, the gracious, ever merciful, respected speakers, honorable members of European and Maltese Parliament, distinguished guests, journalists, and dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings of Allah be on you all. It is an immense privilege and honor to welcome you all this evening to this peace symposium. After another year, a wonderful evening has once again come when we are gathered here to share some thoughts on the subject of democracy, freedom, human rights, justice, diversity, and peace, and the role of religion in modern world. The Ahmadiyya community organizes similar meetings in many countries, and in Malta, it also organizes these events at a very regular basis. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community is a religious organization, international in its scope, with branches in over 200 countries in Africa, North America, South America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. This is the most dynamic denomination of Islam in modern history, with worldwide membership exceeding tens of millions. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Islam was created under divine guidance with the objective to rejuvenate Islamic moral and spiritual values. In 1889, by Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad in a small village, Qadian, in India. It encourages interfaith dialogue and diligently defends Islam and tries to correct misunderstandings about Islam. It advocates peace, tolerance, love, and understanding among followers of different faiths. It firmly believes and acts upon the Quranic teaching, there is no compulsion in religion. It strongly rejects violence and terrorism in any form and for any reason. The community keeps itself engaged in humanitarian works all around the world. Wherever there is a need, it continues its services to humanity on the basis of humanity first, irrespective of race, color, religion, or nationality. It promotes and practices its famous slogan, love for all, hatred for none. After the demise of the founder of the Ahmadiyya community, the community has been headed by his elected successors, caliphs. And now the community is passing through the era of the fifth successor, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad. I would like to conclude this introduction with two quotes from the recent speeches of His Holiness, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, the worldwide leader of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. He says, peace in society is a two-way process and can only be established if all parties work together towards mutual reconciliation. Today, we, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, are trying to bring peace in the world. We are playing our role and trying to fulfill our responsibilities in this regard. And so I would request all of you to join us in this task. We must set aside our own personal desires and instead be concerned for the future existence and well-being of our next generations. We must adopt selflessness rather than selfishness. When we all join together and come to respect each other's feelings and sentiments, then and only then will an atmosphere of mutual love develop. It is then that we will truly see the beautiful society that all peaceful people desire. His Holiness says further that it is surely our duty to care for and respect one another. And the best way to practically demonstrate this esteem is to consider the feelings and sentiments of each other, because that is the primary way to establish good human values. And it is the only way to develop an environment filled with peace, justice, reconciliation, and brotherhood. It should be our goal to establish such high values in every village, every town, every city, every country, every society, and indeed every part of the world.